If you want to be a successful person, always be silent in 5 situations, as APJ Abdul Kalam has rightly said. We all know that it is important to think before we speak. But there are certain situations when it is especially important to be silent. These situations are when you are with people who are not worth your time, when you don't have anything valuable to say, when you are with people who are not ready to listen, when you don't know the answer, and when you are not interested in the topic of discussion. Be silent in these 5 situations. Let's begin. Try to keep quiet when someone else is emotionally sharing some events in your life. When someone screams and mutters in anger and hatred, you calm that person down by keeping quiet. You don't have to be part of this kind of negativity when someone is criticizing another person. When you don't know what to say, if you have doubts about your thoughts and knowledge of certain aspects, then keep quiet. When you feel that no one can understand your feelings with your words, keep quiet.